He likes drones. All right, let's try this again.
Go right to your hand. Probably everybody sees it.
New spot, a lot of water before it starts raining. I'm gonna try to get a little rip in here, see what we can find. Brought 2 quads with me. I have my Source One, which is running Betaflight, and then I have this Source One, which I just crashed and broke the mount on. That one's running Emu Flight. That's the first time I've tried Emu Flight, and I gotta say, it feels really good. It feels really, really smooth. I felt like I had a lot of control with it. So now what I'm gonna do is switch over to Betaflight to see if I can determine if there's any sort of difference, because what I'm trying to determine is whether or not I'm actually gonna switch all of my quads over to Emu Flight. There's some pros and cons to doing it. I don't really know all the technical aspects of it, but for me, I like the simplicity of Emu. It did feel better. I felt like I was getting better stick movement and it wasn't so jerky all over the place. This red quad, I suspect, is gonna be a little bit more twitchy, which is what I'm used to flying, but we'll see how it goes. All right, let me get it up in the air. All right, so this is Emu Flight. Same identical quad, same as this one, just Emu Flight. shit, here comes the rain.
Oh, is it?
Pretty sure that's what that was. I felt raindrops. All right, so let me know what you think of that flight. Oh my God, look what's on my freaking quad. How am I gonna get this off? How is it even flying?
What is it?
Freaking monofilament fishing line.
Oh,
look at that shit. See, it affects birds and quads. Shit, how the hell was I even flying with that? Look how wrapped that is. I'm gonna have to take the prop off to get that out of there. Yeah, I started feeling raindrops. Oh. All right, so that was Betaflight on the red one, Emuflight on the green one. Tell me which flight you thought was better. I was trying to be equally aggressive with both flights. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Stay original.